Hello, I'm Hugh Campbell from the Public Record Office of Northern Ireland, PRONI, and I'm going to start with a few words about a recent success. PRONI is part of the Department for Communities, a department within the Northern Ireland Civil Service, NICS. The NICS has a corporate EDRM system, HP Records Manager, or TRIM as it was known in a previous life. We worked with our supplier to develop a customised export from the EDRM system to provide us with the records and metadata we wanted in a way that our digital preservation system could handle. The customised export allows users with the correct permissions to select and transfer records from HP Records Manager to PRONI. The export will check for the presence of mandatory metadata, carry out a number of validation checks, and produce error reports if necessary. When it passes validation, the export transfers the records and metadata files to PRONI, emails PRONI's digital preservation team with details of the transfer, including a summary of the containers and objects, and an inventory of all the records in the transfer, including MD5 checksums. 2 public inquiries have used the export tool recently and transferred successfully approximately 1,300 folders and 50,000 records to PRONI. PRONI staff and public users on site currently access digital records via our catalogue systems. The records processed to date were relatively straightforward, particularly in terms of volume, which allowed manual fixes to the catalogue if required. The challenge for PRONI now is to process these records through to our catalogue systems with minimal manual intervention. To succeed, we will have to overcome a number of challenges, which include agreeing a method of recording changes we make to a transfer, for example additions or deletions, implementing a way to sort folders and records within folders so that they are created automatically in the catalogue in an order that is in keeping with archival best practice, and balancing sensitivity issues, resources and capacity. Another challenge will be that posed by catalogue descriptions created from EDRM system descriptions and file names. Our catalogue systems are based on exact match searching, and we know that we get material containing misspelled words. We need to bring as much automation as we can to these processes, as the volume of records is such that the capacity for manual interventions will be limited. A notable example of upcoming work will be the ingest and processing of material from a public inquiry. The inquiry comprises some 35,000 records and includes amongst its formats doc, PDF, AVI, JPEG, TIFF, MP4 files ripped from DVD and .600 video files. This would be notable as we know we have a number of issues to deal with, including determining the catalogue structure and ensuring that the structure of the digital records can be matched to this, and creating automatically descriptions for approximately 3,000 records using approximately 350 index files created using MS Word. When we finish the ingest and processing of this transfer, there should be some happy faces. All that remains for me to say is thanks for listening.